Hello, in front of me I've got Turtle Beach Burst 2 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to connect it with dedicated app. In the beginning, make sure that your mouse is connected with your PC. Then go to Turtle Beach website and swarm to download. Download the app and then unzip it and install it. Tap Next and start installation. Tap Finish and then open the app. Agree. And tap Start. Select your mouse. As you can see, it's automatically connected. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.